This is the story of how a post-war Japan, with virtually no resources, invented the world's most powerful business philosophy, lean. In 1950, while Ford produced 8,000 cars a day, Toyota could only produce under 3,000 cars a year. With 40% of their urban areas in ash, no domestic resources, and reliance on importing scrap metal, Japan had no margin for error. Yet, within 3 decades, they outcompeted the Western world in manufacturing. How? Have you ever felt busy all day, but nothing moves forward? You were working, but were you making progress? The cure for this modern disease was invented in the rubble of 1945. Due to inflation, destroyed national wealth, and eliminated commercial credit, Toyota couldn't afford to hold inventory. Every bolt, every minute, and every square foot was an existential matter. Amidst a crisis, a strike, and bankruptcy looming, Toyota underwent a transformation. Unlike the West's scientific management, the intelligence of the worker became Toyota's only inexhaustible resource. Ford's mass production system used massive buffer stock as safety nets, hiding defects. To Taiichi Ohno, these mountains of inventory were problems that no one was forced to solve. Toyota's innovation was moving from a push system based on production forecasts to a pull system based on customer demand. Demand, not prediction, drove production. The Kanban system, adopted company-wide by 1962, became the heartbeat of the Toyota production system. It ensured zero production by making only what is needed, when it is needed, and in the amount that is needed. The house of Toyota is built on Kaizen, or continuous improvement, and stability. Its pillars are just-in-time for efficiency and Jidoka, or automation with a human touch, for quality. In Ford's system, stopping the line was a fireable offense. In Toyota's system, any worker could pull the cord and stop production if they saw a defect. This was quality control, fixing the root cause immediately. Comparing production systems, mass production is forecast-driven, holds months of inventory, inspects quality at the end, and treats the worker as a replaceable cog. Lean production is customer demand-driven, holds hours or days of stock, builds in quality control, and empowers workers as problem solvers. Lean production assumes scarcity and forces perfection. During the 1973 oil crisis, Detroit panicked while Toyota did nothing. A system built for scarcity thrives when the world suddenly runs out of resources. What was called the Japanese miracle was actually math. The need for a word to describe doing more with less of everything led to the term lean. Originating from the 1990 MIT study, lean jumped from car factories to every industry because it simply worked. The scientific method of lean includes the 5 whys. By repeatedly asking why, we move beyond symptoms to expose the root cause, for example, identifying metal scrap in the pump instead of just replacing a fuse. The 3 enemies of flow are Muda, waste, Mura, unevenness, and Muri, overburden. These 3 enemies are costing your organization more than any market downturn. Taiichi Ohno did not build this system to beat Ford. He built it because wasting a human's time and effort is an insult to their intelligence. Lean is a fundamental mindset shift, where the people closest to the work have the most knowledge. Your job as a leader is to create a system where it is safe for your team to use their intelligence.